Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. We can take a quick look here this morning. Gold's up again. Gold's been having a very nice last couple of weeks as the economy continues to collapse and turn into chaos as inflation gets out of control, right? Gold's doing what it should be doing. The coin market overnight has stabilized and steadied out after a bloodbath and panic ensued yesterday. You can see we're trying to bounce. Remember yesterday, the last video we did last night, we talked about this circle area and your lower support, the 59,469 uptrending rising wedge that we're in, right? If we're trying to build a base down here so we can start to trade back up into this and maybe get up here, right? And if we zoom out, you can see what we're in. See that? We're at the bottom part of the rising wedge. We're threatening to fall out right now, right? See that? See the big rising wedge? It goes all the way back there. See that? Upper resistance, lower support, upper resistance, lower support, right there. Now, we're threatening, if we can't hold, to leak down all the way into that area, right? So that's what we're watching out for right now. And the Bitcoin, are we going to leak down all the way down to there? Right? Or are we going to hold support up here and start to trade higher? That's what we're watching out for right now. So we got a breakdown target today of 50 cents or 50,469. And we have a break up target up here today at 65,622. These are the break up or down in the next few days as this decides if it's going to hold this and bounce or if it's going to fall through it. If it falls through it, we're coming down near that 50,000. If you hold it, you can come back to 65. We'll keep you updated on that in the Bitcoin, but you can see the volume. You had a nice volume candlestick at the end. XRP, you can see we've been telling you since back up here we were going to get rejected up here, and we're coming back to at least test this $1.06. And you can see yesterday we hit it beautifully. We'll get rid of this just because it's going to too much malarkey and mumbo jumbo. You can see it wicked down beautifully yesterday, right below it, came back down to that lower support, got bought back up, and then traded back down. And now you're getting supported on this, right? So XRP is going to be doing the same thing. Can we get some base down here and start to trade back up into these moving averages, right? Get held on support at $1.06, maybe dip down to $1.02, then come back to $1.06, and then trade up like that, right? You could do something like that in XRP. So we're going to have a top end potential today or this week, the next couple of days on a break. If we can hold this area that we're at the bottom of this major volume traded indicator in the green support box along that $1.06 bottom part of it, if we can't build a base there, maybe build back up like that, then we can come up to maybe back to the $1.15. But if you can't build the base here, you're going to fall down into this area, right? You would leak down and initially come to that 92 cents. So that's your lower target down there. Oops. So we're going to put that down there right now. There's your lower target at 91, 92 cents in the XRP, right? So those are that's what to watch out for in XRP and in the Bitcoin. And then what other ones do we have? We'll do Quant. Come here. We'll do a Quant real quick. You can see Quant dumped, and we're below the 200-day moving average in the 3-hour time frame. Very bearish. We've been very bearish on Quant at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. The hecklers know since this big, phenomenal, fabulous, glowing, gorgeous, generating massive incomes as the jabroni killer was coming from back here, sneaking up and prowling upon the volume indicator pro. He hops over that, dodges and sidesteps it, and got right to the top of his big ears and eyes at the top of that as it was collapsing. And since then, up here, Vincenzo's been very bearish. After that pump, and all these wicks right there, there's big wicks there. I was telling you to sell because I felt like this price was going to come down, and now it's really coming down. And from around the top-ish, you're down 44%, and Vincenzo's seen that coming. He said, take advantage of these pumps. If you bought pre-pump, start selling as high as it goes and just partial your way out every time it gets higher, sell some. Because eventually it was going to come down, and it is. And we have an underneath target. This chart's really dirty of $1 or $199 short term. If you can't hold this 50-day moving average in blue or 100-day in blue, you're going to leak down to the $199 level. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.